Ma'am, supportahan mo ba si Pastor Apollo
Kibuloy
sa Senado?
Of course, a good friend of ours. Pastor, dagang salamat kay, you know, you were the first casualty. Kita gyud mi unsa kapag daog-daog. But gingnan yun ako siya. Wala na kay loyal na amigo pareho ana. No matter how hard they put you down, you know, kung giunsa kanila pag daog-daog, wa jud ka ni talikod, Pastor. Dagang salamat, and I know, God willing, you will make it. And I'm asking all the Filipino people to please support Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Dagang salamat.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am Kitty, okay. Makaboto ka na, tapos suportahan mo ba ang PDP at si Pastor Kibuloy?
Yes, so suportahan natin yung PDP laban, both straight PDP laban. And I would like to greet Pastor Kibuloy. Hi Pastor, sana maalala mo pa ako.
Of course.
Kasi since maliit ako, syempre, so mabuhay kayo.